This table that came with this Harbor Freight 7x12 is wobbly. It feels dangerous. There's so much flex in it. And your piece rattles around. I'm gonna just make a 1/4-inch plate. All right, I want it to sit down in, contour around all of this stuff, even come over onto the table a little bit like that. Kind of hard to see right now, but I'm gonna make a couple cuts and see how close I am. I just made a few cuts with the angle grinder. Well, I'm not that accurate, so got a few little gaps there. I'll mark them and all right, we'll see what she looks like now. Wow, that was mostly freehand. Let's see if we can get in there. It's pretty close. Just gonna clean it up with the grinder, and that's where it's gonna be. Sorry. So there you go. You can see how bouncy this piece of shit table is versus this new 1/4-inch plate that I'm making for it. Just trying to cut through this has been a bouncy ride. It's a much better looking table. I don't have the screw holes drilled yet, but I'm just sizing it up. So, all right, I got busy with another project. Came back to this and did some of it without recording, but I made the holes. Just let me get a better angle on that. I made the holes with a step drill, and then used a 1/2-inch bit to. It is infinitely more stable. Oh yeah. Nice little mod, and the best part is you do not have to, the best part is you don't have to take that table off. If I move this back,